กลับเข้ามาสู่ในช่วงทอล์กนะคะวันนี้ค่ะปอมอยู่กับคุณหมอเจมส์ชันเหมือนเคยนะคะวันนี้คุณหมอจะมาพูดถึงเรื่องของโรคที่มีความอันตรายมากเลยต่อชีวิตทั้งผู้สูงอายุแล้วก็สามารถเกิดได้ในคนอายุไม่มากด้วยเหมือนกันนะคะนั่นก็คือโรคเส้นเลือดในสมองตีบและเส้นเลือดในสมองแตกค่ะซึ่งทั้งสองโรคนี้นะคะมีความเกี่ยวพันกับระบบภูมิคุ้มกันและการรักษาด้วยการฝังเข็มรวมถึงสเต็มเซลล์ด้วยเกี่ยวข้องยังไงเดี๋ยวเราไปถามคุณหมอกันเลยค่ะสวัสดีค่ะคุณหมอเจมส์ About the stroke why is it so dangerous to all the people
Yeah, right. When I arrived in Thailand, I was surprised. A lot of patients have a stroke, but the stroke is a problem. Is the patient himself or herself suffering a lot, but the problem is family suffering a lot to take care of a patient. So it's difficult disease. But many people thinking, oh, maybe I'm not gonna have any stroke. But what do you think about how many percent of the stroke? If you have a family have a stroke,
It's like
no
50,
idea, right?
like
Yeah. Maybe idea. If you have parents or grandma, grandpa, or some relative have some stroke, you will have 80% chance of a stroke. But this stroke mostly comes from DNA. So it's a genetic reason. So another one, stroke actually in about 3 years ago, already they give a warning, like an earthquake. If you got sometimes a symptom, you got sometimes you have some numb. We call in Bahasa Thai cha. You have a cha, the car and sometimes your can arm. So if your cha is already stroke starting. Also another one, sometimes in your eye, sometimes trembling, it's just starting the stroke. So you should right now prevent stroke together. So the stroke is very, like same as stroke comes from your blood cannot supply the enough blood to your samong, your brain. So I can explain this lotit.
Lotit?
Yeah, like a lotit and cannot go blood.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes you got the lotion. So if in that case the blood bleeding.
แตก
And then this brain cell is dying, and then you cannot move it. So this stroke is very dangerous.
So is there any kind of new way to prevent your stroke?
Sure. Actually, once you have a stroke, you should make the blood circulation. Sometimes your blood cannot go enough, and acupuncture also can help you to all the stroke. And then after acupuncture, your blood supplying the enough blood and oxygen to your brain. This is not just my research. A lot of medical, the hospital did a lot of research. Acupuncture can help circulation of the blood in brain. So the acupuncture really effective for stroke.
So รถวิ่ง
Yeah, right. And then now the blood going and circulation starting. No problem about the stroke. Yeah.
Oh, that's why it links together.
Yeah, together. Yeah. But once you have a stroke, you should treat as soon as possible. If too long, it's difficult to recover. So once you have a stroke, immediately you should do acupuncture, or we have a stem cell. Stem cell is really useful to recover whole our body system. So we have many sometimes after stem cell and acupuncture, some of them cannot move the body, and then now the moving starting. This is not the result of our the medical group. Also result of the many hospital like England and America, and many people do a lot of research. So acupuncture and stem cell will help a lot of stroke patients.
So if you have any kind of sign of your body, you have to be careful of
Should
this.
be careful, and then you should consulting doctors. Yeah.
So about the stroke and everything, how does it connecting with immunogen
Okay. Actually, as you know, everybody think if we got a problem, if we go hospital, we can fix ourselves, we can recover. No, it's not true. Because among disease, about sometimes about more than 50% of disease incurable. We cannot fix it. That comes from the immune system. Sometimes you go hospital. Oh, I got a problem here, but they cannot fix it because we call this breaking up our immune system. But our human body have a strong ability to recover our immune system. So sometimes we do the acupuncture and stem cell together. Will recover immune system. For example, you got sometimes you got some wound here. But suppose ordinary people, this wound can, healing.
healing itself
Well, but some people cannot healing. Understand?
it's because of
Yeah,
the
because of the breaking down the immune system. But stem cell and acupuncture helping to immune system. I have we have a good result. Sometimes if you are not a doctor, so if you come to some hospital or many incurable disease, unknown disease, and sometimes oh my gosh, how we can? But this whole the system comes from the immune system. Stem cell and acupuncture help to increasing her immune system. So we have many patients from not only in Thailand. We have from America, from Middle East country and Europe. They come to Thailand. After treatment, they are getting better. Yeah, because as you know, they have many good hospitals in many other countries. But they come to here and we working together, and they will have a very good result. Okay,
oh, that's good.
that's really good.
Really
yeah,
good.
yeah.
But if you only use just stem cell or acupuncture, only one thing, is
Yeah.
it gonna
Actually,
work?
the stem cell is I call this one stem cell is I can call this is very interesting. Long time ago, many people looking for fountain of youth. Fountain of youth, like in the emperor of China, tried to looking for fountain of youth. We call it immortal, right? Immortal, never die.
Immortal.
He wants to, no, it's not gonna die. The fountain of youth, I call this the stem cell. Inside of your body have a fountain of youth. We should make this stem cell working. You'll be a younger and you'll be a stronger.
And immortal.
Yeah, you can be immoral and you can do so. But question is how we can make activation. This is that's why the many doctors, many scientists, not only Western doctor, Eastern doctor together, we try to make this it works. To patient be very strong and recover so easily. So รักษาได้ครับ
รักษาได้ครับทุกอย่าง everything
Yeah, everybody.
can be รักษา
Yeah.
ได้
Right. Yeah. So this is now it's the evolution of medical. Now the medical science right now.
ค่ะโอ้โหวันนี้หมดเวลาแล้วอีกเช่นเคย ต้องขอบคุณคุณหมอเจมส์มาก
ขอบคุณมากครับ
such a great explanation easy to understand and very เป็นประโยชน์มาก ๆ เลย
Thank you very much.
ขอบคุณ
Thank
มาก
you.
ๆ เลยค่ะ
Yeah.
วันนี้ก็คุณผู้ชมนะคะก็สามารถนำเรื่องราวที่คุณหมอเจมส์ได้อธิบายซึ่งอธิบายไว้อย่างน่ารักมาก ๆ เลยทั้งเรื่องการรถติดแล้วก็รถชนต่างๆ สามารถทำให้เรื่องราวที่อันตรายเนี่ยทำให้คนเข้าใจง่ายแล้วก็สามารถป้องกันได้ด้วยตัวเองนะคะคุณผู้ชมก็สังเกตอาการตัวเองหรือว่าผู้คนรอบข้างให้ดีแล้วก็ป้องกันภัยจากโรคเหล่านี้ด้วยค่ะเอาละค่ะวันนี้ก็หมดเวลาสำหรับรายการ Happy Healthy อยู่แล้วนะคะก็กลับมาพบกันใหม่ทุกวันจันทร์เวลาเที่ยง 35 ค่ะและก็ชมรีรันวันเดียวกันเวลาเที่ยงคืนตรงค่ะวันนี้ต้องลาไปก่อนแล้วค่ะเราสองคน Goodbye สวัสดีค่ะ